It is time for another property tour with your host, Alex Maloney. It is so time, y'all. It's not even funny how time it is. And we are at Shaddock Homes, y'all, in Edgestone, in Frisco, Texas, Frisco ISD. And let's get in here, y'all. We are in. We are so in. So the rep is up there, but that is the office. So you have your staircase. So it's like a upper level office, as you can see. There is our awesome rep. And you got your spiraling staircase, soaring ceilings, modern lighting fixtures. And let's go back down over here. And let's go to our first room. This is the guest bedroom, in-law suite, whichever you'd want to call it. Tub shower combo with your marble backsplash tile. And y'all, this is again in Edgestone. Super close to the Dallas North Tollway, probably not even like 4 minutes. So if you guys are location driven, this is an excellent choice. These homes start at $1,229,000, and they range from 3,400 square feet to about 4,800 square feet. Look at that hidden room. Holy cow. That'd be perfect for Anne Frank. Very nice wet bar. Wine fridge. And they even put a little window right there. And we have your formal dining room. Vaulted soaring ceilings. Stacked windows. Gas fireplace. And let's come over to the kitchen. Look at that, y'all. You don't see soaring ceilings in the kitchen every day. Vaulted soaring ceilings, that is wild. And we got our gas grill. Or gas stove, I should say. With extra built-ins. And you have a fireplace, y'all, in the breakfast nook. Don't see that every day as well. Here's a nice view for y'all, just so you can see. But this is a very unique setup right here. Love that. And it's got even a little window up there for more natural lighting. Rainfall countertop. And it is an open floor plan, y'all. Love this. Let's keep strolling around over here. About to make our way to the master suite. And we have the mudroom right here, y'all, with the laundry room. Built-in farm sink. Ample storage and room for a fridge, as you can see. And here we have a half bath, y'all. Let me turn on the light. There we go. Very nice half bath. Floating vanity, modern lighting. And we'll go over here to the master. So we have full master bath right here, y'all. Modern lighting fixture, garden tub, tile flooring, double vanities, as you can see. There is the hers vanity over there. So that one's just like I guess for makeup and stuff like that. Here you got your walk-in closet. His and hers. That's his. This is hers probably. This one's a little bigger. But very spacious. Nonetheless. And we have the walk-in shower. Floor to ceiling tile. Custom. But big master bath, y'all. I love that they added more height to the ceiling over there. And here we have the master bedroom and extra windows. They put a lot of extra windows in here, y'all. They must love their natural lighting, as do I. And we'll come back out over here to the den so you can get another view of this. Fireplace is on. It's actually pretty cold here, y'all. As you could see when we were walking in, the landscape was covered. And that's because it's super cold out here, going through a little freeze. As you can see, I have my wool sweater on. And that's just to protect the landscaping, obviously. And let's go up here. So we got our game room and media room combo. And they have a pool table set up over here. Well, you can put whatever you want here, obviously. And we got another little window area. Bird's eye view of the kitchen and nook. And let's stroll on to the bedrooms up here. And we have another indoor balcony. There's a lot of crazy features in this one, y'all. And we have a nice sized bedroom. And we have the full bath. Pretty spacious full bath for the kiddos or in-laws. Tub shower combo. And let's go to the other bedroom up here. And we got two bedrooms over here actually. So we have an ensuite over here with a full bath. And there's a little balcony area. Full bath, tub shower combo. But these bedrooms, y'all, are spacious. Very, very good sized bedrooms, as you can tell. And another bathroom. Shower tub combo. Good vanity. And your walk-in closet. And let's go back out this way, y'all. I'll get another nice little view as we're coming down the stairs again. We'll be quiet for that rep. She's on the phone right now. Making some deals, as always. And we'll get down here. We're going to go back out to the backyard so y'all can get a little look at that. How it feels vibe-wise. And very nice. I love this part of the house. That is so unique. And let me open the door. Perfect. And you got your covered patio. Built-in grill. With the fireplace. Very entertaining backyard. Nice covered patio. And huge yard, y'all. Look at this. Watch this. You could build your dream pool there. No questions asked. Thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour. Please smash that subscribe button if you liked this tour. And I will see y'all on the next one.